Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make audio public in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, Roblox recently announced that you will be able to make your audios public, and here's how you can do it. So what we have to do is we have to click on the Create button here at the top. This will take us to the Creator Hub. Now from the left-hand side, we want to go into Creations, and then go into Development Items. Now from the development items, we will select the audio section, which is this one. The third option, and we can upload an asset. So upload the asset, click on here, upload, and just choose your audio file. Now once we have uploaded, scroll down and click on upload button here. And you will be redirected to this page on your store where my creation development items. So if you want to make an audio public, it's going to appear here. Just click on it. And then right here you should see under Settings Distribute on Creator Store. This will make it public. So currently we cannot toggle this option on. However, in a bit in the upcoming months, you will be able to toggle this option on. And if you save changes, then you will have successfully made your Roblox audio public. And that's how you do it. So that's basically how you can make audio public in Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.